If you run a business or even a small team, you've probably had this thought before. I wish I had someone to handle all these repetitive tasks. That's exactly what caught my attention with a tool called TeamPal. So the idea here is pretty interesting. Instead of just giving you one AI assistant, TeamPal lets you build a whole team of AI agents. Each one can have a role, like a marketing manager, a content writer, or even someone handling admin work. When you first get into it, you start by giving it some information about your business. You can upload documents, share links, and basically teach the system how you work. From there, it creates a workspace that feels tailored to your business. What I like is that you're not stuck with one setup. You can create different agents, assign them tasks, and even train them to match your brand voice. So instead of doing everything yourself, you're kind of building your own digital team. There's also a library of ready-made agents, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can just pick a role and adjust it to fit what you need. Another useful part is how you can actually use these agents. You can share them with your team or even turn them into tools that run inside your workflow. So it's not just an idea, it's something you can actually use in your daily work. So overall, TeamPal feels like a tool that's trying to replace busy work, not just assist with it. If you just want a simple AI tool, this might feel like too much. But if you like the idea of building your own AI-powered team that works alongside you, then this is definitely something worth exploring.